Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this small video about the weekly recap. Basically, last week ended Friday yesterday. Today, actually today's Saturday is already gone, and today now it's Sunday morning, 1:50 a.m. I'm making this video now a little bit late because very busy doing other things. So let's get started now. This is Euro USD on the 23rd. Week started on the 22nd, right? And after that, 22nd was Monday. I think it was very bad. And then here, 23rd, 7-minute chart. All the entries are from 7-minute chart. And the 23rd, this was entry on the 22nd, but I closed on 23rd. This is you can see this 23rd entries was on 23rd, close on 23rd, actually close on 24th, but I have this date, the entry was on 23rd, so that's how it is. Here on the 24th, you can see this entry here. On the 23rd, so a lot of them, because I have to hold it because the market is really slow. This week started very slow, so in one day after the entry is just not moving enough, so you have to hold it for the next day. So that's why. So on the 24th, I closed this one, Aussie yen, and I didn't even actually close it here. I closed it on 26th. So this was, consider that this was my 24th entry, and then this is my 26th entry. Simple as that. And then you can see here is a Aussie USD, big drop because USD started getting strong, and then Aussie was as it is weak, and then the trade was closed on 26 like this. And same thing, Aussie USD entry was on the 24th, closed on 26th. Basically beautiful short setup here. And here Aussie USD was getting strong, so all these pair where the USD on the left hand side, USD CAD, USD franc, USD yen, they all start to go up. By the book entry right here went up, USD CAD, and then you see the USD franc, so many entries here. This was my entry way back there, and then you can see even on the 25th, beautiful entry here, but it went all the way to the upside. Similarly, you will see the USD yen. There was an entry there, and this is also I took it from the other account, and here is the other entry here, USD yen. By the book alarm was screaming here to take the entry, and I took it. Simple as that. So these are the trade. Even though the week was very bad, I mean that this is the last trade, Euro Aussie, small trade but something, right? It is because Euro started getting strong in this pair, and Aussie was as it is weak, and it is still weak. So so let's see how the next week is going to start. For this is it for now, and these are the trades using only 7-minute chart nowadays because the market is very slow, no volume. July and the volume will come back hopefully in the 3rd week of August, actually. Okay, the 2 weeks of August also very slow, no volume, and the daily ranges will be short, so be careful, trade accordingly. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. I'm gonna close it now. And how do I close it? I forgot. Oh, here we go.